Welcome to Maexology. Today's video we are going to look at the 13 coolest gadgets that are worth seeing. As usual, the links to the products are in the description below. Sit back and enjoy watching. ProHa Fitness Mirror. This innovative idea is the best method to maintain a healthy lifestyle at home. It is the ideal accent to any home decor because to its ultra-thin body and streamlined design. It is simple to use and operate thanks to the high-definition screen and voice control system. And the AI sensors provide you real-time feedback to make sure you're getting the most out of your workout. There are thousands of online courses to pick from so everyone can find something. Additionally, you can invite your loved ones to exercise with you online in the multi-person mode without needing to visit the gym. The ProHa Fitness Mirror is a fantastic method to maintain your health and fitness. It is ideal for everyone who wishes to lose weight. You can buy this for around $700. Screen. The screen is everything when using your computer to work, play or watch videos. Your computer can be missing out on a lot if it doesn't have the correct display. Whether you're working, playing a game or watching videos on your computer, Mscreen has the quality and adaptability you need. A single screen multitasking is just far too limiting. You can be more productive with two displays if you have various things open on each one. It is the same as using 216:9 screens side by side in the wide 32:9 ratio. Your work and play are more immersive and your productivity is higher because to the larger range of vision due to the enhanced view of maps and battlefields. Games seem more immersive when played on an ultra-wide. You can work, play or create practically anything on this ultra-wide screen. The starting pricing for this device is $96. CouchCoaster. Not every smart home device needs to be high-tech. Sometimes the most basic devices can make a big difference in our lives. Some of our home's coziest furnishings are couches. You undoubtedly spend the most of your time on your sofa. Thus, it can occasionally be bothersome that there is nowhere to store a drink on couches. Don't be feared because CouchCoaster is here. Any of your couches, sofas or other chairs will have a drink holder thanks to the CouchCoaster. All you need to do to secure the sofa coaster to the armrest of any of your seats is wrap it around the armrest. It is developing a range of unique solutions to solve some of life's universal and everyday problems. Never again will you have to be concerned about a drink spill. The cost of the CouchCoaster will be $25. Anyone who likes to fidget should use Infini as a desk toy. This fidget toys developer claims that it has an abnormally high likelihood of becoming addictive. It's made to aid with relaxation and concentration. Customers will have the option to click, spin and swipe in addition to pressing other buttons. You will be able to maintain attention during protracted meetings or contentious calls, using any of these alternatives depending on the project. The secret is that while playing, the brain takes a little nap, making it simpler to focus afterwards. The toy will easily fit into a pocket. Because it weighs only a little over 2 ounces and is just over 2.5 inches long, it's ideal for your desk at work. Because of its neutral style, the cost of this device will start at $29. Light Repel. Anywhere you go, insects may ruin your vacation, no matter if it's on a hike, a stroll, a BBQ or a beach. The traditional solutions, such sprays and lotions, are frequently cumbersome and occasionally ineffective. Hong Kong experts suggest the keychain Light Repel is a remedy. It is a small plug-in repellent for mosquitoes by employing heat to activate a repellent that keeps mosquitoes and other insects at bay. A Light Repel portable mosquito repellent uses thermal mosquito repellent approach. The effect can be observed in 30 seconds, and the device's operating distance ranges from 10 to 30 feet. However, the device requires a continual power source, despite being only 1.9 by 3.9 inches in size and weighing 1.5 pounds. And finally, this useful small gadget will cost for $35. Pyro Campfire. It might take a lot of time and effort to build a campfire. When you eventually have to put it out, all of that time and effort was lost. Don't you wish that you could bring the campfire wherever you go? Thanks to the Pyro Campfire that is now achievable. You can immediately tell it is of high quality just by looking at it, and it is created in the USA. It is made of a steel casing that is heat resistant and can start fires for you. Includes removable lid to contain as hand embers for safer burning. Simply put any form of burnable material into it and turn it on like a gas stove is all that is required to get the greatest fire for your upcoming camping trip. The grills in the enclosure help optimum airflow. The Pyro Campfire is available for $179. Xmaker 3D Printer. This device, which resembles a microwave, is an excellent place for beginners to start when learning about 3D printing. First of all, it is ready to use right out of the box and has an extremely straightforward operation. The enclosed cubic design of the X-Maker includes a 3.5 inches touchscreen display for one-touch access to a variety of printing operations. The system has automatic leveling to speed up setup and wireless connectivity to connect to your tablet or smartphone of choice. However, the nicest feature of this is the app, where users may select from a variety of preloaded projects to print or create original works of art. Just take a picture and perfect it because we're too lazy to recreate our doodle in the app. This 3D printer will cost $260. Luba, a clever internal system, more than 80 patterns, the capacity to create virtual work zones, positioning accuracy of 0.4 inches and more. This is a lawn mower. In fact, the makers are confident that their product is groundbreaking. But what exactly is so intriguing about it? Users can first access a unique epinet. The space is divided into zones, much like in a video game, and you may choose a different mowing method for each. The mowing height, for instance, can be changed from 1 to 4 inches. Second, the device will be able to detect and avoid obstacles as small as 2 inches, thanks to the radar technology. Thirdly, a single battery charge covers around 16,000 square feet. Unfortunately, the price for this gadget is $1,200. Footwell water tank. The area behind the front seats is frequently very open in automobiles. Why not use it for something practical, like this water tank? This model is composed of food-grade polyethylene, holds 10.6 gallons, and is relatively simple to install. Because it is sturdy and has a protection, you can put your feet on the top area without risk. The 11-pound tank has ports on both sides for simple hose connection. The tank hasn't been pressure tested, according to the inventors, so the water will only stream out by gravity. Do you believe this to be a workable solution? Or do you believe it would be simpler to bring some normal canisters with you? Finally, the price for this water tank is $161. Golden Goose Scrambled Egg Maker. Don't you like to start your day with a few boiled golden eggs? Not those actual golden eggs, but actual tasty golden eggs that can be eaten. The Golden Goose Egg Scrambler is the key. To use it, simply place a raw egg inside, lock the components together with the locking ring, tangle the cords and pull the handles in its shell. The egg will be scrambled. Finally, all that remains after boiling it is a golden egg. These were our hopes. However, the uneven texture inside and the difficulty peeling them disappointed us. In any event, this is the thing for you if you don't mind eating shaggy, irregular but golden eggs. This item costs $17. ACool Car Ventilation. This gadget will keep your parked automobile cold and fresh, and it is essential for all car owners. The automobile ventilator sucks in fresh air from the outside and pushes hot air out. It refills all the air in your automobile twice in just 5 minutes, utilizing a 4-fan system. Additionally, each ventilator is created specifically for each car so it fits the window of the vehicle without the need for any additional tools. It couldn't be easier to install. Just mount the solar panel on the dashboard and the ventilator on the window, and turn the gadget on. The technology works to provide 3 levels of protection while keeping your automobile safely closed. This vehicle ventilation costs $179. Hailsuit Car Protection. Here is a hail shield that will protect your car in any conditions. It only takes a few minutes to set it up. Simply place this item all around your car, secure it with the provided bands, and then turn on the fan to inflate it. In just 5 minutes, your barrier will be prepared to repel an assault. This item was tested in the worst conditions thanks to its multiple layers and aerodynamic construction, and it can truly survive hail up to 2.5 inches in size. As for the power source, it is plugged into an automobile. Of course, this item is available in a variety of sizes to accommodate a variety of vehicles and may be conveniently stored in a car trunk. The cost of this invention is $435. Smart Accordion Lamp. It's likely that you've seen a musical instrument with a similar flexible design, but this is the first accordion lamp ever made. It provides fresh possibilities for customization. A lamp can be adjusted in many different ways. In addition to its length, either place it straight up or easily stretch it into a full circle, or use 2 accordion lamps together to create even more striking and unique shapes. It may become a hanging lamp by using the magnetic strip. There are 3 versions with various wood panels, a rechargeable battery that provides up to 8 hours of continuous usage options for cold and warm lighting, and 3 distinct light settings. A unique design with good use for your home's interior. The cost of this lamp is $59. We have reached to the end of the video. Thank you for watching, and do make sure to like and subscribe for more tech gadget videos. See you next time on Maexology.